We're back with a story all new tonight. South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster signed a bill into law that will require the state law enforcement agency to set up a tracking system for rape kits. Right now, there's no way for victims to track the evidence collected, and many don't know if their kits have been tested. Our Ann Maxwell spoke with victims advocates today who helped get that law passed.
Right now, a rape kit might go from a hospital to a local law enforcement center to a lab to be tested, but a victim can't track its progress. That's something that's set to change with this law, and it sends a powerful message to victims, advocates tell me. Evelyn Mitchell began digging into the issue of backlogged rape kits about 2 years ago. Since then, she's been working with the Julie Valentine Center to do something about it.
So much good has come from something so evil.
Mitchell survived a harrowing night 40 years ago. When she was 20 years old, she says she and her friend were walking out of a restaurant in Louisville, Kentucky, when they were abducted, thrown into a car, blindfolded, and taken to a house.
They had taken all of our clothes, and we had been assaulted multiple times by multiple people.
They escaped the next morning.
We thought we were going to be killed.
They sought help and had evidence collected via rape kits. Mitchell had forgotten about her rape kit until the issue of untested rape kits made its way into news headlines. That's when she reached back out to the police department in Louisville to see what had become of hers.
I got the call, and he said to me, "Evelyn, I've got some terrible news. We did find out that your kits were destroyed." And he gave me the date, and it was 2 years after the date of the assault, which was devastating.
But then she says she thought of her 2 daughters and knew she had to do something. She testified about the issue before the South Carolina State House and Senate. Now, the work of Mitchell and the Julie Valentine Center has come to fruition, with South Carolina taking its first step in rape kit reform with a law that requires the state law enforcement division to track rape kits.
One of the main reasons that it's important for a victim is because it gives back some sense of control to them.
Each kit will be given a number that victims can track online, a move that advocates say will hopefully lead to accountability.
I can't even put it into words. I get very emotional about it because, I think we all want to do something in our life that matters, and I feel like I've been given this gift and I just couldn't not do anything. I mean, it was a traumatic experience, something very evil in my life, that I had this opportunity to turn that into something positive. So it feels great.
The law does not require law enforcement to test rape kits. In Greenville, Ann Maxwell, 7 News.
That system is required to go into effect in 2022.